Hey there, travel enthusiasts! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the world's most luxurious destinations. Today, I'm taking you on a journey through the glitz and glamour of Dubai's most lavish hotels. Dubai, a city known for its futuristic architecture and opulent lifestyle, is home to some of the most extravagant hotels in the world. So buckle up, because this is going to be one extravagant ride. From iconic landmarks to hidden gems, we'll cover it all. First stop, the Burj Al Arab. This architectural marvel stands on its own artificial island and is often referred to as the world's only 7-star hotel. This iconic sail-shaped hotel isn't just a place to stay, it's an experience. The design itself is a symbol of modern Dubai. Imagine being picked up by a Rolls-Royce, then stepping into a suite that looks like it belongs to royalty. And those gold-plated iPads? Yeah, they're real. The attention to detail here is simply unparalleled. Next up, the Atlantis, the Palm. Situated on the iconic Palm Jumeirah, this hotel is a destination in itself. This place is an adventure in itself. With its awe-inspiring architecture and endless activities, you'll never want to leave. From an underwater suite where you can watch marine life swim by, to a private beach that's perfect for soaking up the sun. It's like living in an aquatic wonderland. Oh, and did I mention the Aquaventure water park? It's a paradise for thrill seekers and families alike. It's the largest in the Middle East. With record-breaking slides and a lazy river, it's a must-visit. Now let's head to Jumeirah Al Nassim. This hotel offers a perfect blend of modern luxury and traditional Arabian hospitality. This is where modern luxury meets traditional Arabian hospitality. The rooms are designed to offer maximum comfort with a touch of local culture. Picture this, a serene lagoon, lush gardens and rooms that offer stunning views of the Burj Khalifa. It's a sanctuary in the heart of the city. The turtle rehabilitation project here also gives it a unique eco-friendly twist. It's not just about luxury, it's about giving back to nature. Our fourth stop is the Armani Hotel, located in the Burj Khalifa itself. Imagine staying in the tallest building in the world. Designed by Giorgio Armani, this hotel is the epitome of chic sophistication. Every detail here reflects Armani's signature style. Minimalist decor, personalized service, and a private entrance to Dubai Mall. It's a haven for fashion and luxury lovers. It's like living in a fashion magazine. Every corner is Instagram-worthy. And last but certainly not least, one and only the Palm. This boutique hotel offers an intimate escape from the hustle and bustle. Tucked away on a private peninsula, this boutique hotel offers an intimate escape from the hustle and bustle. It's perfect for those seeking privacy and tranquility. With its Moorish and Andalusian architecture, it's like stepping into a fairy tale. The Guerlain Spa here? Absolute paradise. It's the ultimate retreat for relaxation and rejuvenation. So there you have it, folks. 5 of Dubai's most lavish hotels that promise an unforgettable stay. Each one offers a unique experience that caters to different tastes and preferences. 5 of Dubai's most lavish hotels that promise an unforgettable stay. Whether you're into underwater adventures, chic sophistication, or just pure relaxation, Dubai has something for every luxury seeker. Whether you're into underwater adventures, chic sophistication, or just pure relaxation, Dubai has something for every luxury seeker. So pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable experience. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Your support helps us bring you more amazing travel content. Until next time, happy travels! May your journeys be filled with luxury and adventure.